everybody, it's Christina and welcome to my Dollar Tree. This is so far what we have of our Easter section. It's not very big yet. One little end cap of St. Patrick's Day stuff. Some napkins that are super cute. But yeah, not a lot in the St. Patrick's Day selection here. Some gold coins. And then we have the gardening section, springtime section, which is, that's probably about as big as it's going to get for the year. Doesn't really get too much bigger than this. So yeah, a couple things there that are cute. Flowers. I think those are going to look nice in my daughter's wedding bouquet. Not a huge selection of flowers at my Dollar Tree though. And then the little fairy gnome garden section. My husband really wants to make one of those for our camper. Oh, and then we have like the stationery office supply section. I found this cute little chalkboard right here. And then next we have a little end cap that has all of the tiles and stuff on. Used to be a nice little section. Another end cap here with some random stuff, some yarn. This is my picture frame section. It is actually pretty small. It's kind of sad. And then the candles. There's quite a few candles. That section I would say is pretty big. And then we have the glassware section. That one's always pretty big too. And here we have the craft section with all the embellishments and stuff like that. Stickers and rub-on transfers. This box of Cricut vinyl, or not Cricut vinyl, but vinyl and leather is very smushed in there and just kind of stacked. And then we have a new air dry clay or clay section. This one's pretty cool. It has a bunch of different stuff. You can make designs with your clay and earrings and stuff like that. That's a pretty neat little new section there. And then we have all our fabric, and there's actually quite a huge selection of that just yarn here. I don't know that I would really use that too much. I did do a video using some of the yarn, but I don't think it's that great of quality, honestly. And then we have more of the craft section, a lot of the wooden stuff. That's pretty much piled on there all the time. It used to be nice and neat, not so much anymore. And then these are all the other little crafting stuff, the jewels and tools and stuff like that. Just kind of thrown everywhere. And part of the $5 section, oh, I saw those lanterns. I thought those were super cute. I really like those lanterns. I don't tend to buy stuff that's more than the price point though. What do we have here? Oh, another little end cap. I thought that this stuff was really cute. Those little lanterns for outside and the lights on the flowers on the bottom, very cute. This was a very cute little section too. I did pick some stuff up from the section, so you'll have to stay tuned to the rest of the video to see what I picked out from here. Neat little section right there. And then we have all the glassware, which I think I showed this already. I don't remember. Anyways, there's all the glasses and stuff. We got quite a big selection of that. And then all the towels and stuff like that. My daughter and I used to crochet the towel toppers on the towels and sell those. We don't do that anymore. And then this is the wallpaper section, which is in a really weird spot. And then here is my small little section of Valentine's and, a little bit more Easter. And these are some carrots that I will talk about later in the video, where you can see they're not really well made. And then, a couple more Easter things. Yeah, they had these cute little, I don't know if they were ornaments or what they were, but those were really cute. Oh, it says tabletop sign, but I don't know how that works, because it looks like they're all separate. And then right at the beginning of the store, I wanted to show this. They had these little candle holders that looked like wood, but they were ceramic, some bottles and other candles and different stuff. And that is about it for this trip. So now I am going to head back home. All right, I am back from shopping at Dollar Tree, and now I'm going to show you what I ended up buying. So I am done with my Valentine's crafts for this year, But I did find these, which I thought were super cute, and I thought maybe I could put my grandkids' pictures on here maybe next year. I'm not sure yet, but these are always handy to have in the house. So I am gonna put these in my Valentine's drawer for next year. Continuing with the holiday theme, I don't normally do St. Patrick's videos. I do have a couple out there, but usually once or every year I try to make at least one St. Patrick's Day. I'm not really super into St. Patrick's Day, but I saw these napkins that were kind of cute, and they had this 30-piece gold coin set. So I do have an idea to make something with this. So I'm hoping that what I'm planning on making is gonna look good. But anyways, so yes, napkins and coins. Okay, next holiday is Easter, and I bought some of these, excuse me, oh geez, and then I kicked the camera too. These, this carrot garland. This looked way better. If you looked in the video, if you remember from the video in the store, the other ones, the ones that were all separate, you could see the carrot underneath. The yarn or the twine that was on there was not very good. There's multiple spots showing. So these actually looked a lot better. So I did pick up one package of those, and then I picked up these egg ornaments, because I just have a feeling I can do something with these, but I don't really have like a set out plan right now for Easter. I think I have one project that I was going to do last year that I haven't done yet. So that's probably going to be my Easter project, but I'm trying to think of what I could do with this. I'm thinking maybe I could leave this a garland and attach the eggs in between it. I'm not sure yet, but I don't have a lot of Easter supplies, so I had to pick up a couple things for my stash because I've been trying not to use a lot of trying not to go to Dollar Tree to buy more stuff. So this is the first time in a while that I've been there. So I've just been trying to use up what I have. So that is what I bought for my Easter stash. Next up, I have the fabric. So I don't buy a lot of fabric at Dollar Tree. I don't use fabric too much in my crafts, but I saw this purple fabric and I thought it was really cute. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it, but purple's my favorite color, so I don't know. I just bought it. So I'm gonna throw that in my stash. And then, if you remember from my video, there was 2 boxes stacked on top of each other, and there was this faux leather in there and then a bunch of vinyl for cutting on your Cricut. And it was just like all smushed and sitting on top of there. But I used this, the leather quite a bit. So I thought I would pick one up because I think my black is almost out. I was gonna look for white, but I didn't feel really like digging through the big boxes because I've used white multiple times too, and then you can kind of paint it sometimes too to change the color. But anyways, so when I got home, I was looking at my receipt and this was actually 50 cents. So I'm gonna try to get this video out, hopefully my next video. So if you see this, look, maybe it's on clearance at your store too. So that was a pleasant surprise. So I think I might actually head back to Dollar Tree soon to see if I can, what else is in there. Because for 50 cents, that's a really good deal. So, yep, this is what I got out of the fabric section. Next was the wood section. Now, my wood section was spread out all over the place. There was some on end caps. It was just kind of all over the store. But I bought 3 of these. I know Dollar Tree has these all the time, but these actually work really good to like put signs and stuff on there. So to get them to stand, they're nice little stands. So you don't necessarily have to use them as a picture frame. You can just attach a picture or, you know, something onto here so it stands. But these are always really handy to have in your stash. So I ended up picking up 3 of those. And then on one of the end caps, which I know you saw in the video, normally Dollar Tree has these little boxes, but these are actually like cut out and they have holes in them. So I thought, how cool would that maybe to be like to put some lights or something in here? So that is kind of what I was thinking when I was looking at it. So that was kind of, yeah, I don't know. I just thought that was really cool that they were routed out like that. So I just picked up one of these though, because I have plenty of boxes. Back when everything was still $1, I ended up buying a whole bunch of boxes and little pallets and stuff so that I'd be stocked up because I knew that they were changing the prices. And then this isn't anything new to Dollar Tree, but these little things always work really good too, because you can put signs on top of here and projects, just, you know, little things. So yeah, so I didn't have a lot of these, so I went ahead and I just picked one up. And then these are super cool. This is something new to my Dollar Tree. I think it's new to all Dollar Trees, but they have these cute little cutout wood pieces, wooden frames. So there's actually 5 different styles. So I picked up one of each. So they had this one, and then they had another round one, and then a couple square ones. This one's just kind of pretty basic. This one's like, to me, is like super fancy. I really like that one. And then this one I really liked too. So yeah, so there was 5 different ones, but I can definitely see me using these in some kind of project. Maybe something for my daughter's wedding. I don't know, we'll see. Next up, we have the wallpaper. I kind of had to dig through. They had them all mixed up at the store, but I really, really, really like this brown and the blue. Green's not really my color, but I thought maybe I could use that for something. Let's see, a little cotton, or I think it's cotton bud. No, it's just little flowers. But anyways, so I bought these 3 because these are always handy to have for crafts. Then the self-adhesive wall tiles. Everybody uses these in the crafts. If you saw in my store, they had them on this end cap, and it was such a mess. They used to have them all nice and organized, but ever since they brought that $5 in there, it's just, they just pile stuff. So it's kind of crazy, but definitely, I mean, I just used these in a heart craft not that long ago, and I really like these. So I bought 2 of those. And then in the office supply section, they had this chalkboard, but I don't know if I'd use it for a chalkboard, but I do like the size of it. I think it would make like a really nice sign. So, but picked up one of those. And then in the like dishes section, they had these, what are they? Charger plates. So these are always really cool for crafts too. I did one once where I painted the whole thing white and kind of distressed it, and then I put one of those stickers in the middle. I still put that one up in my house. That is super cute. So definitely love these. And that one little end cap that's always right in front of the store, I don't know if that's where yours are in Dollar Tree, but they had these little bottles, and I thought these little bottles were really cool. I've done a lot of crafts with bottles, kind of making them look vintage, and I don't like the glossy white, but I could definitely do something with these. And if you didn't want to use the key on there, you could save the key to make, you know, for other projects. But yeah, I am definitely looking forward to using these. Heading over to the candle section, I bought these 2 candlesticks, and I thought they were the same because I like, you know, the different heights, but the bases are actually different. And then I noticed too, this one's really crooked, so I don't know about that one, but I definitely thought, you know, you can't ever have too many candlesticks. You can use these in multiple projects. So I bought those, and then I also bought these. I've used candlesticks like these a bunch of times, but these, they're shaped a little bit different than the ones that I've used in the past. So super excited about those. Then the last thing that I bought were these mini lanterns. These are so stinking cute. I am just like in love with these. So let me turn it on. Oh, the switch is a little finicky. Okay, I guess the switch isn't working the best on this one. It's like kind of right in the middle. Well, I can always take it apart and see if I can get it to work correctly. Let's try this one. Turn it on. Oh yeah, so look how bright those are. Those are actually really bright. So yes, I definitely have a craft in mind for these. Okay, well that is the last of it. So yeah, that was it. Thanks for coming along shopping with me and checking out what I bought. I'm super excited for the new stuff that I bought. So anyways, I just want to say thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I would really love it if you like it, share, and subscribe. Hit the bell so you get notified when I upload, and take care. Have a great day. Bye.